Mod will do. Everything with ints here. That does not look good. What the hell? Why is this not being erased? Total mystery. What is going on? Skill is set to 15.49. Which is this thing minus minus 3.49, which is this vertex. Yeah, I really want to see a label when this is being printed. But we can't. Well, it's just 0. We know it is 0. I mean, yeah, but it tells me here or not. No, this is just an index. Oh well. That's this point. Yeah. Right, so the extreme, which is 0.4, was added to the history. And therefore added to the approximation. Mean 0.4 is at minus 7.75, so that is 0.4. And that was also passed to update of scale, which shouldn't do much. The current scale is 9.611. And yeah, that doesn't change, of course. So also the problem approximation doesn't change. It's the same as this. Based on the vertex and the thing on the right of it. 0.3, I guess. Okay, now 0.5 is at the same place as 0.4 because, well, Probla was a perfect fit. Well, maybe not exactly because it's still 1 millionth different, but close enough. And because it didn't move, we conclude that the minimum is reached. Hey, Kingslayer. Why the hell is this repeating? That can't be right. I think I left that in, yeah. No, wait, yeah. I think I left something in like this. Have a quick look at the code. I removed an history add, but that add also printed this, is my guess. Holy, what the F? Yeah, that's the one that should be printed. Cheer. I don't know. It looks like yeah, this is an output that tells me immediately what W is going to. So W is changed and then printed. But I'm kind of deviated from that in that I just adjust W and then I leave the whole block of code. So let's see if that would happen at this point. Yeah, well, almost. Relevant samples larger than 2, then we print something, and if that is all I do is just change the step kind, and then we leave it, and then it's not abort, and then we print it. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, now I'm not so sure actually. This is only printed when done is not set, which means that it prints the change occurring as a result of this, I think. But since now I think I can just remove this. It's always printed. Start over. So 0.4 is calculated here. This here I print this first and then immediately afterwards it's added. So maybe it should not print it at all, although here I can see where it came from. But yeah. The output isn't very relevant at this point. Maybe it is better to print it where W is changed. In terms of debugging. Yep. So every time W is changed, I want to print it. I had this starting from main. Starting from the loop actually, top of the loop. Here it is changed. Set W to found extreme. Yep. Okay. And I guess the step kind is left at default, which is then done at that point. Let's immediately print it. But let me add the comment here. Paste 0. I'll understand what that is then. Here's another one. So if there are no zeros, I will just continue past the extreme that we just found. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I need to add this back. This if here, that was only print is when we didn't already print it, which should be and step kinds unequal done. However, it is not. And the reason is that I think this was the default. Yep. And then in the case that subcoin is changed, example is aborted, yeah, then W wasn't even changed. But then we changed it later and then we print it later also. And have another abort, and here it's set to done. Strange. Oh, it's at the top of the loop. Step kind equals local extreme. That didn't really handle that correctly yet. I think I should set it to done here, because W was changed. It will also lead to a double print, and it is changed, but I'm setting step kind. I don't think it's like ever not set unless I set abort. I just want to print this change, this jump. Maybe even in the same way. Here there is an arrow. I'm ready to set in. Yep. So even here it is now already printed. I just printed it everywhere. There's no need to print it here at all anymore now. Okay. Scale set to 16. Scale set to 9.6. So the next one that is going to be added is this. Oh, it's already added. add it here. Anyway, I'm going to add 0.5, I think, in exactly the same place. So the scale remains the same, and 5 is set. Oh, wait a minute. Scale remained the same. Here's 5. Jump to vertex. Minimum reached. Replacing 0.4 instead of appending 5. And just adjusting it with that 1/1,000th. Putting a 4th-degree polynomial, which it has no zeros. Best minimum set to. The direction is set to up. And then we go from minus 7.75 to the new 0.5 at minus 17. Yeah, and I thought that was too much. Because, and actually it isn't, I now see. 17.361 minus, although I would expect it to step the scale here to 9.61101, and that is 7.75, yep. So this is the correct scale. It just goes from here 9.6 to the left. And then you get into minus 7. Oh, the minus 17. Yeah, that's here. That's the correct place. But it puts it there. So what the hell happened? It had an afterthought. It didn't want to go to 17. Now it wants to go to 26. That is the bug. So W is changed again, I guess, before we get to the top here. How can we get to the top of the loop without storing this value? It should be impossible. This does not make any sense. So it subtracted 9.6 twice. Oh. Yeah. Gonna need to go to the top of the loop after this. Does that work? Do I need to update the energy? Probably too. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Oh. No, that's it. 2 to 5 now ends up here. Past extreme, no zeros. Initializing, entering kinetic energy, appending to history 0.5. And again a kinetic energy update. What? 2 on a row? This is also not really what you expect there. Well, that's for this one, tier 21. Huh? Yeah, so that one was already added. Probably should not do this. So that means that W must have been changed though. Although I'm changing it here, am I changing it always? Okay, number of zeros larger than 0, we set it here. And if the horizontal direction is unknown and the number of 0 equals 0, then it's set here. So what about the horizontal direction is already known and the number of zeros equals 0? Then what? It's also a matter of just keep going. So actually also this. Just check. The dubious check. Not only that, this should be not in this scope, it should be in that scope. Got the feeling that this block also does not belong here. Might as well put it there. Which then means that this can be just an else. Let's see. So I'm seeing a 5 at minus 7.75, but that is ignored. So we see a replacing, and then we see a 5 at minus 17, which is the correct place. And then we have a 6, and the scale is not updated. Okay, what the hell, where did the 6 come from? Continue same direction, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's not accelerating if the scale is not updated. So that's not good. Where can I see my scale? Yeah, the scale is still 9.6. But 6 is only determined here, so maybe the scale cannot be updated. Decrement the W with the old scale then basically. Scale Skill update happens with minus 17. That's 5. Yeah. Guess it's okay. So this 6 is more like the future 6. So didn't do any calculations with it yet. It's more like the scale of 5 is the same. I've rather drawn it here, but well, it is more or less the same. Yeah, now it counts in 6, and then 7 is rejected because it's way up there. I'll go to 0.8. A minute, aborting left, change horizontal direction to right, restore W to the best minimum, and then we go to 11.47. Best minimum opposite direction, but 8 is not being drawn, why not? Yeah, pending to history 0.8. Should have been drawn. I don't know why it's drawn too late. For the rest, it seems to work. It's even called plot sample. There's no way you can add anything to the history without plotting it. Arg. So call an add on the history, on the plot history, which calls add on the gradient descent history, which printed was added. Printed pending to history. Previous becomes current. Current becomes previous plus 1. Modulo size. Total number of samples increased. Current is initialized. And return the index where the thing is stored now. beats me. I don't know, man. Damn it, it should work. It's just downhill here, but it actually went uphill. No, it went downhill. Yeah. But H direction is already known, so we should have gone uphill. Or V direction should have been known. V direction is set to up. H direction is still unknown, but V direction is set. Therefore, oh, this is also set. Since V direction is up, we should be going uphill, not downhill. Let's fix it. Yeah, guess this is how it is done. Okay, I must admit that I don't know what happens. I don't know if V direction was already set, so rather I don't know what the value of V direction is when it is not set. But we wanted to go down then. It is down by default. Well, that's good enough. So then we do just if down, subtract. Let's make a double step here. It's kind of weird though. No, it's not weird. Never mind. Uphill, yeah. Try to went the right direction, and then we have a parabola, so it can jump to the vertex and again. And then we have a 4th degree polynomial. We jump to the best 0. And then we have just one symbol, so we go downhill. And then we jump to the vertex again, and we jump again and again. So often. Best 0 is 19. One sample uphill, jump to vertex, jump to best 0. That's fast. Oh, yeah, okay. One sample downhill. Jump to vertex, best 0. 120. Okay, 40 should be a little bit higher than the previous one, 39. I don't see 40 drawn. 40 seems to be drawn here, but it's hardly readable. 29, actually it is, probably. Yeah, that is weird. What is it doing? Continue same direction. Man, this is pretty bad. Oh, we're actually finding the best minimum this time. 47. And now what? Yeah, it should terminate at some point. This is really strange. I think we already stopped going right, and now we stop going left. Terminate already, damn it. Oh wait, the termination bits are done per minimum. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's wrong. God, so wrong. Oh, I'm just going to run it faster, I think, until maybe it stops. How the hell would it? Yeah, there it is. Oh, it crashes. No. Minus infinity. It's literally based on a single point, although not sure how that is detected. Assuming it's detected in the correct way, then we know that this is a linear function, so that has no vertex. Okay, that I'm printing it, okay, but this is bullshit. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop again for today. Let's lose another game of chess, because all I can do is lose these days. Oh, no, I don't want that. I do not have an abort. This is a bit much, isn't it? $15. Now, why not? I'm gonna play it. I just can talk now without going through my clock immediately. Yeah, I should study his opening someday. Usually I play this. I'm not sure if that is the best move. It can't be that bad. Can it? Definitely want to do this now. Oh, this is a surprise move. No, the question is, where do I want my bishop? Could go here, and then the queen comes here, attack that. Too many attacks, so let's keep the bishop here. Might as well. Which means I want to play this one, because I can't go there, and the bishop must be developed, because I want a castle. Could also have played a knight, maybe that would not have that bad, course, it's a good development plus. Then, yeah, no, I don't know where to go the knight. Yes, if the queen comes here, I thought I'd just go here, defend that again. Guess that works. But I've played a knight, I can't go there anymore. And then if the queen comes, I can't even put my rook here because of this bishop. Plus I block my queen, so I can't go there either with the bishop. Not that I want to. My bishop should go here. But yeah, put my bishop here and the queen comes here, and then what? Then I can play my knight to defend it. Kicks the bishop, then I have to take. Because if I go away, I lose this pawn. I'm not that happy with this position. Well, if this is not possible, then I have already a lost position. I really have to develop in a sane way. I don't know, maybe we should just push the pawn. So put the rook here and then push the pawn if he attacks it. Okay, I can do the same maybe. I mean, this square is a bit weak, and that one as well. So if the knight comes here, then you have a heavy weakness. Ish. And if we would do that now, I could check, but yeah, it's defended by the bishop. Then the pawn could come, I can take it, he takes it, I take with check again. That would be a knight for 2 pawns. No, I don't want that. So maybe keep the knight out here, but no, that's bullshit. Actually, no, it's not. You can also go here. Maybe we should allow him to come here. I don't really care. I'm gonna castle. I desperately have to castle. If not a knight comes here, I just castle. It's no problem. Not really. An interesting choice. white is better, definitely. I can hardly move a piece here. Though this seems like an obvious choice. Very cramped position. Can hardly move anything. This is locked in, of course. This one has to defend that pawn here. Could defend that again, I can kick it. But if you queen comes here, okay, now my rook is there, sorry. I think he plays the rook here, bishop back, queen here, stuff like that. Made me here. White has a lot of plans here, while black has nothing. I have no plan, seriously. Now maybe put a knight here. If he moves the queen, then queen is probably not going to this square. Well, could do it. Maybe it's not even that bad. But it is on the line of my rook. So if the queen goes somewhere else, then I could go here with my knight, threatening to go there and also there. Then at least I have something on the queen side. That's also an option. So now what if we go here? Queen is attacked. I have this square, this square, this square, this square, this square, this square. Queen has to go back. Yeah. Strange move. And now I could go here, because every engine would scream to me that I have to do that. Unless, of course, I first have to do something else. Go here is at least it's forcing. It's a nice. He doesn't want to take it. He wants to. This is a good bishop. And he could defend that or push it. But if he pushes it, then I just move it away again. Could even take here and then. So he can't do that. Oh, this is just a good move. Come on. Of course, it's a good move. So now he has to do something nasty, annoying, time wasting. Namely, defend this pawn. And how are you going to do that? I suppose with the rook here. A queen again. Seriously. Well, yes, it is possible. Okay, let's say he blocks the pawn. What happens if I just go here with my queen? And he takes my pawn. I defend this one then. Can also go. You can always go back then, right? That one's attacked as well. No, it's defended. So I could put my rook here then. This square, this square, this square, the knight, the rook, queen, everything. Queen can't be attacked. Well, I could play the pawn 2 up then. After that, But then the queen can't escape at all anymore. I think this is a good move. But I might not take the pawn. I could take here, then I take with the rook. And then I could take my pawn. And then I don't have... Oh, I can't go here with the rook because of this bishop. Whoops. Let's not do that. Okay, how about I go back? Defend it like this. He takes, I take. He takes, I attack the queen. He takes that pawn as well. No, I don't want that either. Shit. So that after he takes this pawn, that pawn is in as well. Well, go for a draw then. I mean, just go back with my knight. Don't seem to have many options here. Yeah, I think I offer a draw by repetition, because a second ago I already said that I was worse and I didn't have a plan except then maybe doing this. So if this guy wants to ruin it, then okay, I'm happy with the draw. Now he goes there. Oh, interesting. Interesting. So I could go here now. He takes, I take, queen takes. Then I lost the pawn. Or this threatens maybe. No, I can go here again. I go here. Place that. I give it a kick. Is this a working attack like this? I can give check. I have to go to the side. Well, I could do, he goes there, exchanges. No, doesn't work. If the knight comes here and I give it a kick, then he can give check maybe, but I could just sidestep it. Taking would not work. And if I sidestep, then the knight could take here. But my rook is defending that point. I think I can go back. Yep. Okay, so he takes it there. If I take here and he takes with the pawn, then and this one goes, I lose this pawn. This is kind of not an option. I think I just should go here. I think this is a definite threat now, because then I can take here and he has a weak pawn. Or maybe even this one. Then I can take and he attack with the pawn and go back. That would be strong. Except he's still attacking me on of the bishops on this side. Is this better here stays and my knight goes? That's doesn't make me very happy. Hello, smiley face. Someone is sending me smiley faces. What shall I do with attack from this person? Going here is a nice thing. Yeah, definitely. Without a bishop, he doesn't have an attack anymore. Could kick my knight, and then I take here, and he takes with the pawn. Still have this knight for my defense. So that one would not be good. Oh, it's my move. Put the rook behind it. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and execute my plan. Yeah, he could not help it now, I think. I'm gonna take the knight and then he has to take back with the pawn. It's definitely good for me, right? That must be good. Although there's lots of pieces on this square, so we just can push it like the next move. Suppose it's my move and I take, and he takes the pawn and I can't block it. So I'm doing, well, I could play this pawn. And then he can't play it. But then I tune in my bishop. It is not good. Oh, right, the queen just goes, and then well, I can still do it. Take back with the rook, I just exchange, and that pawn ends up right there. Not to mention that you can't take back with the pawn now, because then I take here. With the attack on the rook. Okay, rook goes there. I go here, it takes here, I take there. Oh, it does do that? Really? Okay, so I go here, and then the queen can come here or here. No, I just take the rook. The rook goes there. And then maybe I can just defend it. No, it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna go here, take the rook. Rook takes this pawn. Does not make me happy. I think I'm gonna push this pawn. No, I'm definitely threatening to take it. Right? Definitely. Yeah, in the meantime, he can just push this pawn, which he's not doing. So now I play this, and now this pawn cannot come forward anymore. And I tuned in my bishop. I thought I didn't want to do that. Oopsies. But okay. Let's continue playing on the queen side and forget my king side. Because I think I'm better on the queen side. Oh, yeah, my queen can go here and attack that pawn again. And that one. It's a fork on both pawns. Man, this bishop is so bad. It's definitely not doing anything on this diagonal though. I think I'm gonna move it here. If I play my knight over here, by the way, I can get rid of that bishop. Probably go there, I could take it. Opening file for this guy. I can just leave it like that. Or move. And then I can kick the knight here. And the knight goes there or there. Might turn the tables. Or not. No, I just takes the pawn. Don't get an attack over this diagonal. It's a strange move. I think, oh, he wants to push the pawn? Nah. I can attack this pawn again, why not? Okay, queen here, and he has to move the queen again to defend this thing, and then I can take there with my queen. And then I'm threatening, yeah, the queen could go here, so then if I take here, the rook could go there, then I can take that pawn as well on my queen. And then I lose this one. So I think I should first go here. I could put the queen here and then the bishop back. Okay. Yeah, this pawn's a check twice. I don't really want to take there. Those double pawns would be lost very quickly, suppose, I think. wouldn't I? So did you fence this? Threatens to take here. That's a good one. Oh, I have to take here. At least it comes with a tempo now, I think. So I go here. Queen comes here. That is very annoying. Because then that attacks two pieces and I can't defend both. Can't have that. I can take with the queen though. He takes, I take, comes here. I can't come here, I just take this. I might have just the time for this, I think. Maybe win a pawn like this. Well, that seems like an obvious move. Yeah, I mean, why not put the bishop here? Oh, it's defended twice. Let's not do that. Why not promote and then take this pawn? It's a double pawn anyway. Pushing it one place is not bad, is it? I can just put my knight here. Maybe first make a wall. This way. Okay, ideas. I put a knight here, he takes, I take. Then he can't move the rook anymore. This one is blocked. Oh, too late. Too late. Let's get rid of the bishop pair then, because then my knight is not doing anything. Could play it all the way here, but it's not giving me anything. Suppose I push. Nah. I could push. Threaten bishop here or no? So he takes, I take. He takes, I take. Wait a minute. I push. He takes. I take. Take. This one is in. Can't even take here. Oh, the bishop takes there. Ah. Okay then. I want to go there, I suppose, with my knight. Suppose that's what I want to do then. However, if I go here, he could take my pawn, right? And then I go here. Oh, he takes my rook. That's not a good plan. Nope. Really, my knight should go here. Here. I definitely wanted to be here. But then he takes my pawn. Shit. Okay, I go here, it takes my pawn. I go there. It goes there and I lose equality. Difficult. Mm-hmm. Yep, I can't defend it with this rook, and I can't move my knight. I can defend it with this, I suppose. I should have put my bishop here. No, then if he takes it, he attacks that one as well. No, it doesn't matter. I go here, you take, and I defend that. And if he would have taken here, then I could have taken there. But yeah, it's now too late. Now I can go here, and then he takes it, I take it, and then I lose my pawn. What about I just start running with this one? Maybe go there first, make a hole here. It's not really a hole. I have to untangle my knight problem. Let's go there. At least now I can move my knight again. Okay, now this looks very tempting, and now I can't take my pawn if I go here. I think he is having a feeling of running out of time. He's moving very fast. Could have won a bishop, I think. A rook here. But yeah. That thing is defended, my friend. What happens if I go here? Is it not just winning something? Pawn here, pawn there. Wins a bishop. No, bishop goes here. Let him go here though. And he takes, and I take, and he has to go there, and then I pick up the bishop. And then I go mate behind to the whatever. Well, or not. I could take like that with check, and I win this. How shall we take? Like this with check? Oh, then the queen just, king just defends that. But then it can go back again with check, and then take it. Or do that, and rook goes there, and then take here, and then he takes this. And then I go there, and he takes this, and I take that, he takes that. I'm still a piece up though. I'm taking with like this. I don't know why. This seems to be making most sense. Especially if he goes there. I just take the bishop anyway. So take the bishop, gone with the bishop pair. If he takes back, he loses the rook. So the rook exchange. And then I'm a piece up, and my pawn is almost at the yeah, it's completely won, of course. I should not take my rook. Guess my rook should go back. No, of course not. Bishop here, devastating. So suppose he takes this pawn, my bishop goes here. I threaten to give it discovered check by removing my rook. What is he going to do? Or I'm threatening that anyway. I could go here with my rook, threatening this pawn. He can't defend it. Okay, he's doing that. Well, makes sense. Still do this, but it's not a bad move, I think. Though my bishop is defending that. But I can always defend it with my knight. I need to make a hole for my king. Shall I just walk this way? Yeah, I should not have given that one away. That's kind of silly. Should have played this one first. If he takes there, I might even get a problem. Timid. I go here, threaten to take. No, I cannot allow that. Not allow that. Indirectly defends the pawn. Okay, I take it. Now he resigns, so we can all go to bed. Oh, he does not resign. Why not? Delayed resign. Still hoping for a stalemate. I don't know. That was a long game. Very long game. The question is, how do you play against this? I just don't know, and always play c3. c6, I mean. Apparently e6 is a preferred move there. But yeah, that gives me plus 0.2. And my move, plus 0.3. Yeah, computer is crazy. still plus 0.3. I did that 0.4. Taking is not good. 0.2. Oh, wait a minute. I'm counting it for myself. Shit. Yeah. That was for white. Okay, so the 0.3 is not good for me. Giving at least a tenth away per move. But okay, that's what I said. That it was really bad for me. Couldn't move anything anymore. Oh, I should have done the trick of the knight and get that bishop, apparently. Now I can make a hold for the bishop, but he didn't. So again, should now go for the bishop. And I didn't. So it's still h3 to save the bishop. And again he didn't do that. And again I should have played the knight here to get every move. But neither of us did that. Instead here we went for the draw. Oh, wait a minute. Minus 0.4. I should still have done that. Just leave it there. Who cares about this ball? Yeah, I suppose I can just give away 2 pawns and then grab 1 pawn back. And get a lot of activity on this side. Or not. No, it's only 0.2. It wants me to give away the bishop. Yeah. I had not considered that. If he takes here, I can take here. Yep, very, very true. But instead I did that. And then that game, and then we went there. It's like a grandmaster game, man. Just 0 point something all the time. Yeah, this gave me a little advantage. And the best move here is move my bishop back. Strange. I guess I don't want to lose my bishop pair here. Draw. He should take the bishop. But he did not. And then again he should take the bishop. Even though my bishop is totally out behind the own pawns. Should still take it. That's strange. This was a bad move because now again I can save my bishop and nobody knows why I would do that. Instead I gave it away still, but on a different place, and he played this pawn, which wasn't a bad move, and I did a computer move. And it's a draw. No, it took it, but okay, whatever. That is a blunder, mister. A blunder. Yeah, and I took it. So now it's minus 7 point... minus 2.8. Minus 3. think the reason is the free pawn. Just a lot. -3. Yeah, I should have put a bishop here. Totally correct. Bishop here, rook goes, and then I take here, defending the bishop. No, not quite though. So I go here and he does that. I take it, and then he takes it, and I take it, and he gives mate. Oh, the bishop can go back. Okay, now I do this. Oh, then I can defend that. Okay, I did attack that. Oh, he gives away a piece himself. And I'm about to promote. Okay, yeah, that's too difficult for me. Can't calculate all that. Instead, I just walked -2. Still good. Less good. -1 point. Okay, still. Yeah. Clearly I don't understand chess. Apparently you should take here. Why? Either he gets a strong center, or you take the bishop at the tempo, and the bishop becomes good. No clue why I would take that. Still a good bishop, I guess. Okay, that was kind of forced. Still -1. -2 again. Apparently was not the right direction, because now he can pin my knight on the rook. Oh, and he didn't. Blunder. I could win the bishop here, and I didn't. Well, apparently I did. I don't know what this is threatening, but definitely now I did it. Attack, yep, computer move, he takes, I take all -5, -6, -6, -5, okay, wait on -6 back. Yeah, and then I could have played a knight here, because I had done this fork. I missed it. No, and he gives away a bishop. That was bullshit. That was bullshit. Mate in 3. How would I have mated this guy when he did go there? Because this is mate in 1. Suppose he went there. Take the pawn. Taking the pawn is the fastest way to give mate. The tempo thing. Can't move the king. So I'm just going to round up all the pawns. Oh no, this is mate. Oh, that's the mate threat. Oh, it's a mate threat. And why wouldn't we be able to stop that? Oh, the pawn stops it. Yeah, I have to take that first. So this is freeing the square for the knight. Going there. Might as well go there. Same thing. Take it and then mate. Good game, Carlo. Now is there a way that I can see the... nothing here, right? But you can't just say, show me something. I guess the computer analysis, maybe that will give it. Three inaccuracies. So a very good game. Only 3 inaccuracies. No mistakes, no blunders. %94 accuracy. Holy moly. Oh well, I think I go to bed. But at least I finally won a game. Maybe I should play more often 15-minute games online. Because, yeah, I significantly made less errors, right? I mean, definitely not the best move all the time, but also no use blunders. So you can actually learn from this. I'm gonna do one puzzle. I have white, and white is to stop this one. Is already stopped. If white moves the knight, it threatens the rook. What can I do with it? With this knight? I can attack the queen here. It's a double attack on the queen and the rook. Well, with more or less same material, so that would win something. I go here and then queen goes somewhere. And then I take this rook with check. And then take the other rook. Okay, so maybe he just takes my knight? Nah. Maybe moves the queen such that he defends the rook. There or there. Then I take this rook and I take the pawn. Dude, didn't want to do that. Oh, yeah. Okay, attack the queen. The best move. He sacrifices a knight on what? Why? Oh, because if I take it, I'll block my queen. Ah, okay. Yeah, no, it's totally true. But a piece is a piece, so I guess I'll just take it. And it's not a move. I could have known that. Shit. Hide it. Also not a move. Then what is the move? This? No. This? No. Take with the queen. Take with the queen. Hey, Filbert. Yeah, take with the queen. But why? My rating went down 10 points again. Unbelievable. Why is this bad? Because I took a piece and then he takes a piece. Well, we can't have that, so I take it back. Oh, and then he promotes. Oh, he's so nasty. With check. And I lose my queen completely here. Yep, and then I can take here with check, and he goes there, and I... Man, that was way too difficult to see. Way too difficult. But now with the help of Filbert. Filbert, tell me what to do. This is black to play. My rook is attacked. Probably should do something about that. My queen is also attacked. So either I give very quickly mate, or we have to move the queen there, or we have to take the queen. Optionally, I could give a check first. I don't think it's going mate if I give away my queen to this square here. It's like no way. If I just retreat, then I don't believe that it's no. It only takes my knight. So, nah, I don't like that at all. So maybe I can... could give a check. Seems highly unlikely. Knight goes here with a check. Totally possible. The king could go there, and then I can take this one with a check, and he takes it there, and then I can take the queen. Haha. Good. So if I give check like this, it can't not go to this square or this square because I take the knight with check and then win the queen. So if we give check like this, well, if he takes with the queen, I just does a rook for a queen, or a rook and a knight. But then we have an exposed king, and this thing is attacked twice, and yeah, I like that. Now, assume he's going there. Then what happens? Then I can move my knight with check. But maybe I should have put the rook here anyway. Yeah, that it looks pretty damn good actually, because he can't go here. This hole does not work at all. I just give mate. Rook takes mate. And he can't go there. A rook, knight. He has to take the rook. The rook taking the rook is forced. And then I exchange the piece here, and then I take the queen. So it's a +5 move. Must be the move. Yeah. And I do. Unbelievable! Can you believe this? I see. I take here and I win the queen. And bang, -8. Fuck. This is... then this is the move, I guess. No, I just take my knight. Oh, the thing is pinned. I don't have to take it first. Yeah, too late. Again, lost a lot of points. Okay, we do one more. Now you have to tell me in advance before I do this quick move within half a second. One more. Black to move. Well, I feel like going here on with my rook. Don't ask. The queen could go there. And then I take here, and then I win a knight at least after exchanging the queens. That's about it. So I win a knight if I do that. Bishop takes knight. Now I'm gonna read what you say before I move, because, you know. Rook takes knight, and then rook takes, of course. Queen takes rook. This rook is still defending that rook. What about this move? That was my idea. You can't take with the queen because I take it. If the queen moves, the queen can go nowhere except here. I take the queen, he must take back. Then I take the rook, he takes back, and then I win a knight. So that wins the knight. Queen takes pawn, this pawn? I just take with my queen, his queen. Queen defends pawn. Oh, this one! Whoops, I missed that one. Yep, you're right. If I go here, I just take 0 check. That might be nasty. And then lose that one. Okay, you're right. Could I listen to you? Because this is definitely not the right move. First, okay. First, queen takes the rook with check. First, queen takes this rook. How is that ever going to win? First is bishop takes knight, you say. Now we win the knight. Okay, unless he takes back. Oh, and then you take here. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Why don't I see that? Why don't I see that? Oh, you're completely right. Yeah, that is it. I want to see this. I want you just to like this rook and that queen are both aiming on this thing, and it is only defended once. Therefore, if I take the knight, I win the knight. Well, because if he takes back, then it's 2 against 1. Difficult shit. Okay, he's doing that one. Now I can do this move, maybe. No, I can't. If I do this, I just takes my bishop. At least. Then I take back. If I take the queen, it would take your check. Well, it would still, yeah, I would check and then take the rook. Or, no, I don't know, man. It ain't over yet. Yeah, that was my idea. That was my first idea, even, but it didn't work because queen takes f7. And now again, we have queen takes and pawn takes. Yeah, of course, that is clear. So if the rook takes, no, doesn't work. If the rook takes, then you're lost a rook. No. Maybe we just have to save the bishop now. We'll move the bishop, then I lose this rook. The bishop is attacked twice. Yeah, maybe. And then everything is defended, isn't it? You could push this pawn then. Can't move the bishop because he takes there. I think if rook takes bishop, then I can just take the rook. So I just won another quality. And the queen is still attacked. No, I'm afraid about rook takes rook. Then you have to do the pawn takes. And then the initiative is with white, which I don't like very much. I still didn't finish my pinned bishop problem. Maybe rook here to unpins the bishop. If he takes the bishop and go there, oh, then he can take this pawn under protection of that rook. Does not work. Yeah, okay, so rook goes here, rook takes, and then? Okay, maybe it is indeed, you know, well, the hardest move was already done. So the only problem left is not losing the bishop again, because it's pinned, attacked twice, and pinned. And I can't defend it with the pawn. And I can't defend it with the rook like this, and I can't defend it with the queen. If the rook goes here to defend it, then I guess, then what happens? Now what happens actually? What's wrong with the rook e6? What's wrong with this move? The rook d4, rook takes d4. No, then you get queen takes pawn. So rook d4, rook takes bishop, rook takes. Oh right, you're right. He cannot go there. It's a black rook. Yeah, you're right. He can't take there. But okay, so if you go there, he can take like this. And then the problem is solved. Shall we try this one? But then what's wrong with this move? Because it can't be two good moves. No, it doesn't work like that. Plus, if I do this and he takes and I take with a pawn and he moves this two up, then what? Oh, wait a minute. If I go here and he takes the rook, I take there with check. And then he takes the, and then I take this rook. What a lot, this is a rook against a rook. It's also not working. I'm not convinced that this is a bad move. Could still play this, then I can check here. If he plays that move, I can just take it with the pawn. I'm kind of threatening to... I don't believe it. The rook goes here and he takes my rook. How is that winning the queen? Take with the pawn. How is that winning the queen? Okay, I'll play it, but I have my doubts. It's not move. And we lost 12 rating points. And now damn you if e6 is the right move. Damn it! I was right. It is rook e6. Oh. I make mistakes all the time as well. I just don't. I mean, I could not see why this would be wrong. And I think that if you do this, he just takes it. Okay, you have to take back. Okay. And then he does that. Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly what I was afraid of. And then you lose bishop again. Yeah, maybe I should not have done this move because I kind of had the feeling that this didn't work because of this. Yeah. Exactly this. Now lost enough points for today. I'm really going to bed now. Good night. I'll see you.